Want to make it easier for your clients to schedule appointments? In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you how to add a user-friendly booking widget to your website using GoHighLevel. Let's make scheduling simple for your clients. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Sites tab on the left-hand side. Then, click Websites option at the top left side. From here, choose the page where you'd like to place your booking widget. Got it? Great. Next, click the plus icon to add a new element to your page. In the list of elements, select the Calendar widget. And just like that, your booking feature is on the page. Make sure to save the changes before moving forward. But we're not done yet. To customize the widget and make it fit your brand, go back to the GoHighLevel dashboard and click on Settings. Then, select Calendar and click the three-dot icon next to the widget you just added. From the drop-down, choose Edit, then click Customizations. This is where you can tweak the details, calendar widget style, colors, button text, and available appointment times to match your business. Once everything looks perfect, hit Save. Ready to make scheduling easier for your clients? Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel now and begin enhancing your website today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless start. Check the video description for links. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.